Hello viewers, welcome to Ajani Media and Design. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can free your phone memory so as to allow you to install more applications and also put more medias on your phone. If this is your first time of viewing video on my channel, endeavor to hit that subscribe button and then turn on the notification so as to be notified when new video is posted. Don't forget as well to like the video, comment and share to your contacts on your social media accounts. So let's get started. One thing that we all know or that is known to us is to install some applications from Google Play Store or any app store that do the work of cleaning up our memory. But I want to tell you that these applications, they do little in terms of freeing memory on your phone or freeing space on your phone. So I want to show you example now. Let me quickly go into my file manager and let's see how much of memory I have left on my phone now. As you can see from my internal memory, I have 657 MB left, while on my SD card I have like 2 gig left on this SD card. Now I want to open an application from my phone now, which is called Clean Master. I've downloaded this from Google Play Store. So I've downloaded the light version of it so as to use less memory on my phone. So I want to tap the application to open it, and then I'm asked to scan and remove junks from my phone and free up memory. So let's quickly do that and see what happens. So this will scan my phone and then tell me that some junk files has been removed and memory has been free. So let's quickly see what happened, and then we go back to the phone memory and check whether these have actually free memory on this phone. So it is scanning. So this is the amount of the size of the files that is going to remove. So as you can see, it has detected 359 MB junk files that needed to be removed from my phone. So I just tap on clean junks. So tap on that. So it's going to delete all those junks, that is the unnecessary files that are occupying space on my phone memory. So let's see what happened now. So it's still cleaning, so still removing the junks. So we have to wait and see what actually this application have done in terms of freeing space on my phone. So it's still deleting the junk files. All right, so it has done. So it has cleaned, according to this application, the information is that it has cleaned 359 MB on this one. So let me exit this application and quickly go back to the file manager and see, actually, as you can see, 641, nothing much has been done. So initially we have 6 plus. So if we have removed like 300 plus of MB, then that means we're supposed to have around like 900 MB left. So you can see nothing much has been done, or the reflection is not showing here that the memory has actually been freed. So that tells you that this application that they call memory cleanup, they do little in terms of freeing space on our phone. So I'm going to show you the other method by which you can actually free your phone memory. So I want to implore you that you should watch this video to the end so that you will not miss this opportunity, or you will not miss any step in terms of removing application. Because if you go onto the app store and be downloading free application that tell you that you want to clean your memory, so they do little in terms of freeing space on your phone. So the best way to do to free your memory, just to remove unnecessary file, we have two. So the first one is to go to any app store or if you go to Google Play Store or any of your app store and and download Files. It's an application called Files by Google. So I'm going to open my app store now. Like in my previous video, I've shown you how you can use this app store to download the paid app for free instead of going to Google Play Store. So I'm going to search for Files. So you can use Google Play Store if you are having Google Play Store on your phone. So Files by Google. So type that on your phone and then search for it from the App Store. So it will search for that application called Files by Google. It's an application that helps you to free space on your phone memory. So this still loading. As you can see, the first one, which is a Files by Google, clean up space on your phone. So you can install it from here. I've downloaded and installed, as you can see, and just need to update it. So this is not the purpose of I'm not updating for now. So I have to go back and open that application, so which has been installed on my phone. So let's go to that application now, which is called Files by Google. So it's here, as you can see. You type on it. So when you open this application, so it's going to show you the your storage. Either if you have a memory card, SD card installed on your phone, it's going to show you the size and the amount. Then it show you files that you need that you can remove from your phone in order to have more space. So increase the phone storage. As you can see, I have an application called Call Recorder, so which have this size of this the size of the files of this application on my phone is, as you can see, I can free about 24.28 MB of memory by removing these files. Then you have WhatsApp Media. So if you go to WhatsApp Media, you know, sometimes if you belong to groups, people use emoji, people use all these new ways of showing reaction in order not to type. So sometimes you might not click on them to download them, but they are actually residing on your phone, which they are occupying space. So let me quickly show you the first one. You can see Call Recorder, Recording Media, then WhatsApp Media. Let me go to WhatsApp Media. It's one of the major applications that occupies space on our phone. So I can see these are the files I've sent to someone today. So some of them that I may need to remove, just tap on it, or you can just select the first one at the top, select all items. So, or you can just scroll and click on those that you want to remove. So as you can see, just tap on them. So tap on any of the media from your WhatsApp that you want to remove. So as we are tapping, you will see the amount of memory that will be freed on your phone. So as I see, those ones that I don't need, that are residing on my phone, just tap on it, so to mark. So just tap on them like that. As you can see, all these emojis that people have used from a group. So even though I did not click on them, but they are appearing on my phone, as you can see. So I need to remove all of them so that I have more space on my phone, as you can see. So you need to tap on them, just scroll down. You might need not to select all because some of them might be important files that you don't want to lose. So that's why you need to scroll and look at them one by one, and then just click on those that you don't need and then remove them from your phone so that you have more space. Okay, so I'm just scrolling, and then so just click on those ones that you don't need. So if these media are not from your own phone, so you can still download them again So if you need them, so just need to remove some of them. All right, so I think I can see up here I've selected 67 files and a total of 22.66 MB. So if I should delete this, so I have more 22.66 MB addition to my phone memory. So I'll just hit delete. As you can see, it will ask me, do I want to delete these 67 files? So say delete. As you can see, so I have 23 MB, so which I've what if increase the size of memory left on my phone. So you can scroll down again and see other things that you can remove from your phone, which if you are not using them. As you can see, this application, so if I don't use any one of them, some of them, if I don't use them, I can just come here and remove them by uninstalling them or delete them, which is same thing as removing them. So downloaded files, you can see, can click on them and select. Then we have large files, which you can also move to for SD card. So I can just click on this one. So click on the large files, and which is almost 13 MB. So just click on it and say delete. So if I don't need it, I'll just delete. So that's another 13 MB increase to my phone memory. So as you can see here, so you just scroll down to see more of clean. Make sure that you are on clean. So this, it will show you what you can remove from your phone. So as you can see, so this one will show you files that are residing on your phone and those that you can remove to free your phone memory. So let's go back to my file manager now and see if there has been increase in the size of this. So you can see like we have increase 640 MB. Now that is the first one. You can see that that one is also not that effective, but at least it is better than all those cleanup applications that will just scan and tell you that you have detected so amount of junk file. So and at the end of it, if you go back to your file manager, you see that your memory will still remain the same. There's still one more thing that is still occupying this space, and the major application is WhatsApp. You know, WhatsApp is a messenger app that people, billions of people are user have billions of users all over the world, and so many media. So that when you are using WhatsApp, ordinary WhatsApp can take let's say larger percentage of your phone memory. So you will actually see the reason why I'm still having this one, because of what? Because of WhatsApp. So if I click on this internal storage, and it will take me to folders that belong to each of the application. So you can just quickly check each of the folder and see those files that you may need to remove. But the major one is the WhatsApp. So I need to just scroll down to WhatsApp. So let me use WhatsApp. I'm using two WhatsApps, the WhatsApp Messenger and the WhatsApp Business. So if you open your WhatsApp, whichever one you are using, if you don't have WhatsApp Messenger or the one you are using, just make sure you tap on the application folder. Then you need to go to that databases. So if you click on database, as you can see, this application has stored up 356 MB of message. As you can see, MSG store, that is database, those that have been stored on my phone, maybe like a backup or something like that. I want to refer back to those messages. So like I've seen, as you are seeing here, I've done this like 3 times this week. That is, I've deleted this message store. In the last time I checked this 350 like in 3 places, which is up almost like a 900 MB. So which only WhatsApp is occupying on my phone, 900 MB data. So my phone was just telling me low memory, some email cannot work. Say, what is happening? At least I have like 1 gig plus memory left on my phone. Why is it that low memory? So I have to come here and check that and see that WhatsApp has what stored up like a 900 MB message stored up on my phone, which is making my phone to complain that there is low memory. I cannot install application again, cannot put any other thing again. So this will not disturb me from using WhatsApp, and that will not even make me to lose many of those previous messages. So just tap and hold on this, as you can see, it has been selected, and just tap on delete on your phone, which is at the bottom there, and say delete this. So you can see it will remove that message that is stored. So when you open this folder, you see the amount of message that has been stored on your phone that is occupying your space. So you just need to delete it and go back. So you can check the second one. Let me check this one as well. You can see backup. This is the amount. This one is not having much memory used. As you can see, these are just kilobyte. So if you go back, if you tap on message store, as you can see for this one, these are WhatsApp business do not have much of a message store on my phone, just like 4 MB. So I may not need to delete that one. Let me just leave that. So now let me go back to my file manager. As you can see now, my memory has what increased to 991. You can see that 300 MB that WhatsApp has stored on my phone has taken up my phone memory to reduce it to 600. So sometimes those message store can be up to like giga plus, can be 2 gig, can be 3 gig. So you can just see that whenever you detect that your phone memory is low, go to your WhatsApp and check. By the virtue of them that I belong to groups on my WhatsApp, and a lot of media are there, or so as they are sending these messages, they are being stored on my phone, and as a result of that, it will tell me that my phone memory is low. So this I've shown you in this tutorial. These are the ways by which you can free your phone memory by using application. I've used Clean Master Lite. I've shown you how to use that, and also we have seen how we can use Google Files, Files by Google, which you can remove all those media that WhatsApp or even application has put on your phone. So you can remove all those files that are not needed on your phone through Files by Google. And at the same time, lastly, you can come to your phone file manager. So come to your internal memory or your memory card and remove so those message store by WhatsApp, which are occupying large percentage of our phone memory. So as a result of this, so I can see that I have enough memory left on my phone now, which I can use to put more applications or more medias like videos, pictures, and documents. So if you have enjoyed this tutorial, once again endeavor to hit like button, share, then at the same time you subscribe to this channel to get more tutorial. So thank you for your time in watching this video. I will see you in the next video. Bye bye.